So the Vale School Trips project has been a project I've been leading on to support attractions and activity providers. So we've been supporting them to do things like write risk assessments, helping them with their marketing, developing the resources, so activity packs, and how to talk to children and the teachers once they get there.
In the Vale of Glamorgan there are various things offered for school visits, from coming to the beach, churches, country parks. All of them offer their own unique visit experience for the schools. Country parks offer various activities, pond dipping, bug hunting, den building, that sort of thing. Here we offer similar things, but very often the schools will want to come and do rock pooling.
We've developed a lovely brand, the Vale School Trips brand, which we then can go ahead within our tourism role and actively market to each of the schools that might be interested in visiting the Vale.
We've organised study trips and shadowing trips between the organisers. We've set up lots of workshops and activities, and we've had a lot of input from the group into developing these resources, so things like a toolkit, so anybody that wants to set up a school trip in the Vale of Glamorgan, it's got lots of really helpful information in there.
So we brought the kids in and they've explored the church and they found out things that they didn't know about the church, and they've also looked for some of the mysteries of the church. The opportunity to bring together all sorts of people who need to make good use of the church and use them for educational purposes. You start with what you find on your doorstep in exploring history and move outwards from there.
The Vale School Trips project has got brilliant value in bringing everyone together. Our help has been encouraging other people to get on board, to offer help to people maybe like the Physic Gardens in Cowbridge, where they haven't previously held school trips.
We think it's great that we now have the Vale School Trips programme because it's really a helpful way to market the Vale of Glamorgan to the schools in the area. They can understand exactly what we've got on offer, and hopefully it will inspire people to come along.